Hi everyone, me Somi Sebastian and Joji Matthew, management students of Markfus College, Tiruvalla, are here with a case study related to who's the world's top retailer, Walmart and Amazon. Duke it out. Summary of the case. Walmart and Amazon are serious competitors in the e-commerce platform. Amazon is often called as the Walmart of the web. Amazon had a sales of nearly 67 billion compared to the online sales of about 9 billion of the Walmart, being the world's largest e-commerce retailer. Effective brand development and warehouse facilities also help Amazon reduce cost and maximize profits. Walmart, in return, is working more on new application to its mobile and online shopping channels and expanding through social networks such as Pinterest. Walmart has developed applications such as Endless Aisle, My Subscriptions, and many more softwares which would monitor real-time competitors. Therefore, Amazon and Walmart continues to build more fulfillment centers and expand its delivery services. Problems identified. Many Walmart stores lack cleanliness and tidiness. Stores aren't restocking shelves fast enough. Store layout and design compromises customer convenience and space in some cases. Digital services need to be integrated with physical stores. The retailer needs to improve traffic driving side businesses like gas, care clinics, and financial services. Prices aren't always as low as competitors. The brand needs to offer a wider product assortment in general merchandise, fresh produce, grocery, and private label. The Bentonville, Arkansas headquarters needs to be focused on customer service. Question number 1. Analyze Walmart and Amazon.com using the competitive forces and value chain models. Value chain of Walmart. The value chain analysis of Walmart that analyze how the brand has managed activities down its value chain to derive extraordinary value. This includes all the activities involved in the production and sales of the brand. The chain values all processes from the conception and sourcing of raw material to final sales and service. Optimizing the value chain can make it more efficient and can help generate sources of competitive advantage for the business. Value chain analysis of Amazon. The value chain analysis of Amazon during the planning process identifies possible sources of competitive advantage. The company is a collection of different activities and it operates online. The value chain approach suggests that a company can consider these activities as economic rent sources. With the help of value chain analytics, the company can identify various internal and external linkages among activities. It also helps to optimize the finances, products, and information flow. Competitive forces of Walmart. Competitive forces of Amazon. Question number 2. Compare Walmart and Amazon's business models and business strategies. Business model of Walmart. E-business and B2B implementation. Revolutionary supply chain management. Pull model. the business decision to decentralize the procurement process. Rapid replenishment system. Business strategies of Walmart. Lead on price, invest to differentiate on access. Business model of Amazon. Expansion to other segments, business to consumer, B2C to a mixed model, Amazon's Web Services, API, Application Programming Interface. Business strategies for Amazon. Overall cost leadership, attract new customers and keep its all ones by offering low price shipping through its Prime annual subscription. Grow first even at expense of profitability. Question number 3. What role does information technology play in each of this business? How is it helping them refine their business strategies? Walmart is currently working on an app that will let customers to order items from walmart.com. If their local store does not have it in their inventory and is trying to place an order and pick up in store without having to stand in line. Walmart's website monitors competitor pricing and adjusts its online prices accordingly. Amazon offers special service and 24-hour customer support system. Amazon excels salary having newer technologies like scanners and ordering services. Last question. Will Walmart be successful against Amazon.com? Explain your answer. Amazon is closing in and set to officially surpass Walmart as the leading retailer in the world if current trends remain unchanged. The time frame in which this may come about will depend on which variables are considered and Walmart's response to the Amazon's challenge. The average revenue estimates of 279 billion for Amazon and 520 billion for Walmart, which implies that Amazon have already surpassed Walmart to become the largest company in the world in terms of sales. However, Walmart must thus neutralize these weapons if it wants to have a winning chance of preserving its alpha status. Thank you.